Hello boys and girls. Today I'm changing the rear drive oil on my GL1800 Goldwing. You'll need a 17mm wrench. I tried the socket won't fit up in there, there's not enough room. And you need your 80W90 gear oil and a container to catch it in and a rag to clean your hands. I used my wife's hairdryer to heat it up. The housing just to help it run a little better. I'll just shut it off. So you got to get this bolt out and the upper fill plug up in there, out, both 17mm. So here we go. Okay, I've never loosened any of these off before. Start with this top one. That's easy enough. Where are you? There it is. Nothing came out of that hole. Now the fill hole. That's easy enough. I doubt if this oil's ever been changed. We'll find out. It's got about 40,000 kilometers on it. And I just got the bike 1,000 kilometers ago. And it is black. Black, I say. Actually, it's not too bad. I don't think these have ever been touched. So I'm going to let that drain for a little while, make sure it's 100% out. We'll take it from there. Okay, it's all drained out, pretty much. I'll wipe that clean. Then I shall return the bottom plug. It's crucial that you get the torque correct on this. Very crucial. The torque is right there. See how crucial that is? Another piece of equipment that you'll need is a syringe. It's expensive. It's at Walmart, a specialized tool. It's like $1 at Walmart. I'm just gonna poke it down to that tin foil, see if I can siphon it up. If not, I'll try another approach. Okay, I couldn't siphon it up, but those are clear it should look. So the original stuff in there is pretty black compared to that. So maybe it has never been changed. I don't know. Okay, here I go. About to refill. Put that up in there. It's going somewhere. Okay, that's about 15 rinses. Refill the syringe. We're getting there. Here we go. I'm trying to wipe that off a little bit so I can tell when it's full. That's about 35 ounces. One more fill. Maybe. $85? Oh yeah, I think that's it right there. Oh, maybe not. Just fill it till it overfills. Yep, I think that's it. By golly, I don't know if that's enough in there or not. I'll have to get my trusty flashlight and check it out. Hang on. Okay, I ended up adding just a little touch more. And I'm just going to wipe that down a little bit. That's looking good up in there now. Wipe off the fill cap. Looks good. There she's going. Where's my wrench? There it is. And again, can't stress enough the importance of proper amount of torque. Right there. That's it. Done dealio. Move that back so I can tip it over later. Wipe off the floor. Stand back. Job well done. Your bike will thank you later. Bye.